Hello and welcome back. Let's get straight to the topic. How are we going to use FaceTime with a person who does not have iPhone or any iOS device? Up to this point, if you wanted to use FaceTime, the other person had to have a iOS based device. Not anymore. With iOS 15, Apple is making it very easy. You can actually have conversations, FaceTime conversations, with your friends, families who don't have an iPhone or any iOS device. So things are going to be interesting. It's something that I always looked for in that I wish I could have a FaceTime with some family members who are using Android device, or they don't have any device which is not iOS based. So easy peasy. In iOS 15, things are easy. So let's get started. How does this work? Pretty straightforward. So you can see that on the screen. You're gonna start FaceTime. Now you will see that there is a new option called create a link. That is the option that Apple is offering. How will this work? So simple steps. You're gonna say create a link. So when you say create a link, it opens options that you can say. So right there you can see it says FaceTime link. So let's give it a name. You can say I want to give it a name. I'm just gonna call it my link as byte link. So next step is you have to pick how do you want to send this link to somebody. So you can see right below there are two rows. One is my frequently used people or places or where I send my messages or call them. Second is what application. So you have a choice. So you can use a shortcut of directly going to that person, or you can just pick a application. So in my case, I'm gonna say, you know what? I'm just gonna send this link through Gmail. So I said Gmail, send it to me. So it's gonna send this to me. You can see that right there is a little URL, pretty quickly one. So that's the link that the person is gonna receive, and I'm gonna say go ahead and send it. So all done. That's all you have to do. So what happens is once this is complete, depending on what you chose, the other person is gonna get a link, and that is your part of step that you had to complete to send this link to the other person. And how does this really work? So now you're gonna have to wait till the email gets that person. So let's wait. All right, so it instantaneously I got my link on my other email address where I sent this link to, and what happened is now I'm gonna start this conversation from my other link, and let's see if this works. So let's go. So what will happen is that the other person will have to click on that link, and then they will start the conversation. So what they will do is, so once they join the conversation, now you have to join the same conversation. And what you do is you click on it, on the link that you have on your phone, and you can see it says you join. And here we go. The conversation has started. That's all you have to do to have this conversation going. And once you're done, you can just simply leave, and that's pretty much it. So easy. Now, your friends, your families who don't have iOS phone, Apple phone, now they can talk to you on FaceTime. I hope this was helpful. One thing, this new service is still in beta phase in Apple iOS 15. So, but depending on how this goes, Apple may decide to not continue with this, but I don't see any reason why Apple will not. So when iOS 15 is available to everybody, then we can all talk to all our family members and friends who don't have iOS device. Hope it was helpful, and you will be using this new service to talk to your friends and family. Till next time, bye bye.